It is an honor to stand before you today at the 19th International Conference of the Drug Regulatory Authorities, a platform that brings together regulators, leaders, and policy makers in the areas of regulation from across the globe to discuss various vital issues in healthcare, aiming towards quality, safety, efficacy, and affordability of medicines, vaccines, and medical devices, including diagnostics, to the global population. Ladies and gentlemen, our theme for this conference is smart regulation. Smart regulation envisages building trust and confidence, promoting transparency and accountability, and greater reliance on each other through effective and efficient regulation. And hence, the conference today is crucial in sharing knowledge, building partnerships, and working in harmonization to ensure safe and effective medicines for everyone in every part of the world. How well we are doing in regulation can lead to better health outcomes for people all over the world. In India, the new regulations published in the areas of clinical trial as New Drugs in Clinical Trials Rules 2019, as well as the Medical Devices Rules 2017, have promoted scientific and ethical research at par with the global expectations and international practices. The medical device rules include risk-based classification, bringing all devices under regulation through registration and framing regulatory pathways. There is a robust pre-approval as well as post-approval regulatory procedure for all the medical devices, the diagnostics managing product life cycles, which indicate a robust control. We are also collaborating globally with international organizations like the International Medical Devices Regulators Forum, the WHO, the ISO, and the regional network like the Southeast Asia Regulatory Network to harmonize regulatory requirements in the area of medical devices and diagnostics. You would be happy to learn that India has been recently recognized as the affiliate member of the IMDRF. The recognition of Indian pharmacopoeia by the Pharmacopoeial Discussion Group is another milestone, marking the harmonization and recognition of the regulatory standards. The revised Schedule M, which has been published and is aligned with the WHO requirements of the GMP for various products, including biologicals and investigational products, further establish the harmonization goal. And this, coupled with e-governance for all regulatory procedures, have established good regulatory practices for medical products in India. Friends, WHO's efforts in upgrading the regulatory systems of different countries is absolutely laudable. It is praiseworthy how they develop and use the benchmarking tools not just to assess, but also help the countries upgrade their regulatory systems for healthcare components like drugs, vaccines, and medical devices. Further, the way WHO promotes partnerships, reliance, experiential learning, pharmacovigilance systems, anti-counterfeiting technologies, monitoring systems, reductions in the use of animal experimentation also deserves a word of appreciation. What is important is the model of collaboration, deliberation, and inclusive decision-making that is bringing all the stakeholders together for the best possible outcome. India, and I'm sure many other countries here, have been benefited by the capacity-building activities of the WHO. They bring the best-in-class resources from the world over as resources for these programs, and has promoted knowledge, skill, and partnerships to deal with difficult healthcare issues facing the world. It is very heartening to see how India is working very closely with WHO in contributing to many of these areas. Hosting ICDRA, my friends, is a demonstration of our intent and commitment towards global public health. Government of India, under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, is dedicated to improving healthcare for all its citizens. Our aim is to attain universal health coverage. His vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat emphasizes achieving self-reliance in healthcare. And we are focused on building a strong healthcare system that meets the need of India's huge population. We have programs like Ayushman Bharat, which ensure health assurance, the secondary and tertiary level healthcare facilities to over 500 million people. And recently, we have extended this health assurance to all citizens in India who are above 70 years of age. There is a massive scale-up of health infrastructure in the country, an enhancement in the number of medical practitioners, and this shows our commitment to making healthcare is a right for everyone and not just a privilege. As we work towards the vision of a Viksit Bharat, which is a developed India, by 2047, when India completes 100 years of its independence, we recognize that health is the foundation of our growth. And a healthy population leads to a thriving nation. Prime Minister Modi believes that when our people are healthy, we can achieve greatness together. And our approach to healthcare is guided by the philosophy of Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, which sees the world as one family. And this has been depicted in India's effort during COVID-19 pandemic, when we extended a helping hand by supplying medicines and vaccines to more than 100 countries across the globe. We believe that everyone, regardless of where they come from, deserve access to good health care. And this is why, my dear friends, our discussion at ICTRA are so important. We have faith and a strong belief that together we can find solutions to global health challenges and ensure that no one is left behind. We're also enthusiastic about how artificial intelligence is changing the face of healthcare. AI can assist us in making quicker decisions, enhancing patient care, and speeding up research. And by adopting new technologies, we can offer improved services to our people and achieve better health results. In conclusion, let us take this opportunity to work together for a healthier future. ICTRA is not just a conference, but it is a golden opportunity for us to collaborate, innovate, and support one another in our shared mission for better health outcomes for one and all. Thank you all for your attention. I wish this conference a huge success. I hope you have meaningful and engaging discussions ahead. And before I conclude, I also do hope that since each one of you has traveled from far-off places in the world, you also find some time, steal some moments to go around and take a glimpse of this historic city of Delhi. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.